Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, when this year started, I said we were going to eat less takeout. I don't think I cooked anything this year. Let me show you what I got. Okay, we went to BEGGARS Pizza. Got a few chicken wings with the chili garlic sauce. The hot chili garlic. And a medium sausage pizza. Thin crust. That don't look thin to me, but it'll do. Okay, I'm gonna put some red pepper flakes on it. Just a minute. Okay, that's it, y'all. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. You all have a very blessed rest of the evening. It's 5:39 p.m. on whatever day this is. Okay, bye.